Hi, I'm going to talk to you about things that you might want to know about Google Docs. So these are a few things that are going to help you when you create content within a Google Doc. First thing is changing the font. Now, this example that I've got here, everything that I've typed up is in Verdana. So that I want to change that, where you would highlight the text that you want to change. And for example, let's move it on to Montserrat. Okay, so we've got that. But actually we want moving forward, we want the whole doc to have Montserrat as its font. So to do that, what you want to do is highlight that you've chosen Montserrat, click here on the normal text, and you want to update normal text to match, which means from now on, okay, everything we've got is in this Montserrat. Okay, however, all right, we've still got this here that's in Verdant. So to do that, you either do Command A and it highlights it all, and then you can just update it. Okay, or you could just drag the cursor over it and it would do the same thing. However, say that you want to always have your font as Montserrat. Something that you can do here is where we've got a line that is Montserrat, like this one, click on normal text, okay? And then here at the bottom, you see it says options, save as my default, okay? So if you click on that, what will happen is when you open up a new doc, what we have here when we start is that this now, and all my docs that I create will have this as their default font. So just as a reminder, that is, you highlight the font that you want, you click on text, you scroll down, you make sure that this is normal text here, scroll down, save as my default style. Okay, that's how you do that. Now, at the next things, do you know that there is a handy little divider that you can use? It's under insert and it's horizontal line. And I find that very useful for breaking up text in a doc that I'm creating. Now, do you know that you can add your brand colors to a page? Now, what you can do here is highlight a font that you want to change color, text, but you can customize your colors here. So if you had your hex code, pop it in here, then your hex code, your font color comes through, you can add them all. So, you know, it will be saved. So if you go up here, your customized font colors, brand colors will be saved here. So that's another useful thing to know about. Do you know about changing the background color of your page? So what you do there is, let me just move this back, is you head over to File. So what you do is you go to Page Setup down here by clicking on File, Page Setup. Here, you want to change it to whole document, or in fact, whatever one suits you. Let's say whole document. Here we can put in maybe another custom color for you to see. And you hit OK. And now the background of that whole page is the color that you want it to be. So next on the list is how to add tables, columns, and boxes. So I'm just going to do a couple of returns here. So if you look at the top here, insert, you can insert an image, that's how you do that, but to insert a table, very, very simple. And you can create something, you know, like that. And once you've created something with the number of boxes, you can drag and move these around. And you can drag and move these to make them larger than the borders of your text as well. So that is really useful to see. So that's how you include a table. I mean, you can, if you want, just do one box and basically one table box, and then that just looks like a box. You can put important information in there. So you could do that, and then if you wanted to, you could actually color the inside of the box by going along here to these dots, background color. There we go, and the box now is highlighted in a different color. So that's worth knowing. I'll just get rid of those. Now, the other thing I noticed very recently is that you can add emojis to your doc. And that is simply by hitting Insert. And here we have the emojis section. And you can drop them straight in from here. So that's new. I hadn't seen that until recently. So, before you used to have to copy it off of a web page or something. But yeah, they're all here. They're all here. So that is fantastic. So that's that. That's the emojis. Now, did you know about voice typing? Now, voice typing, what you do here is you've got something to say, and what you do is you go to Tools, and you scroll down, and you see the voice typing there. Now, if I click this, and I'll voice the typing, you'll see what it is like. These are all the different things that you can use in a Google Doc. Full stop. New paragraph. Let me show you how. Exclamation mark. So that's how that works. I mean, again, a really, really handy tool. I mean, it won't be foolproof. You'll have to go through and just check everything's been written properly, but a really handy tool if you just want to get some stuff done quickly. So that's voice typing. So do you know how to file your doc? What you do is you click on this button here, and then you can add it to whatever folder you want to within your Google Drive. So that's a really handy thing to do. And sharing your doc. So what you do here is you share the doc by clicking that top right hand button. At the moment it's restricted. Now what you can do here is you can choose to have anyone with a link,